Hi guys, this is Sai Kumar Kortiwada. In this video, we will learn about horizontal rule tag, HR tag. What is HR tag, how to use that, and what is the purpose of using it. So let me go here. First thing is, what is HR tag? So it is very simple. It is used to create a horizontal line, and that will be very transparent with some set of inbuilt styles. And second one is how to use it. How to use HR tag. So we can use that by using a empty tag. Let me go here. I have a paragraph and this is para 1, and let me use one more paragraph and this is para 2. What I want to do is I want to divide this section. So in that case I can use a HR tag. Let me save this, go here and reload. It is a horizontal line which is taking whole width of this particular application. So if I close this, it took whole width till here. So it has some set of inbuilt styles. And let me go here. You can see we saw how to use it and what is a HR tag. So now it is also called as empty tag. Why? Because it doesn't have any opening and closing. It has only opening. So that's about your HR tag. In the upcoming video, we will see some more tags. Hope you like my explanation. If you like my video, like, share, subscribe to my channel for more updates. Signing off. Thank you.